Hello, my name is Josh Walker. This is my presentation on professional learning communities. Professional learning community is an ongoing process in which educators work collaboratively in recurring cycles of collection, inquiry, and action research to achieve better results for students they serve. Professional learning communities operate under the assumption that the key to improve learning for students is a continuous job embedded learning for educators. Why a professional learning community is student learning is a focus and teacher learning is a result. So the focus is all on student learning, how they learn, what they're going to learn, and in the end, the collaboration and the group of teachers together actually improves teacher learning and causes teacher learning. And I put the King Arthur and the Knights of the Round Table kind of because that's kind of the basis of professional learning community is a group of educators coming together, and I thought the circle of the round table was interesting because there is a leader there, but it's kind of hard to tell really who the leader is. Each person has an important role in it. 3 questions you need to ask yourself in when you're looking at professional learning community is what do we want the students to learn? What actually do it? We need to review state, national, district standards and curriculum. So review all the stuff that we're asked to teach and we need to teach, and then develop a critical outcome. So this is what they need to know, and this is kind of the small parts of the actual details of what they need to learn. The second one is how will we observe this? So after we've broke down the critical outcomes, how will we look at it in formative assessments and summative assessments, which formatives like weekly, monthly, things like that, and then summatives kind of at the end. And we will assess and then we'll review. We'll sit down and go back over this. The third question is how will we respond when we experience difficulties? This right here is the key that makes it different, that makes the school difference with professional learning communities over a traditional school, is I already have plans and things in place for struggling, and when you assess more often, you have a quicker evaluation and be able to figure out what's going on, and that's what I've got. Timely intervention, not remediation. So we want to intervene on the kid instead of just wait to the end to remediate them. Directive, not inviting, which means you've got a student that has got issues or something going on. You sit down, you develop a plan. Your plan is directive, not inviting, which means struggling student makes bad on the formative assessment. You evaluate, maybe give them some study hall time, and then if they still continue to struggle, then you direct them to have. It's not an inviting. You're the one initiating the change. And use all your tools: counselors, resource officers, secretaries, any like PE teachers, any extracurricular, non-core teachers. Use all of them. All your tools that you have. The plan. This is the plan we use: is special rotations to allow our pods, our group of teachers that teach together, to have weekly. To meet once a week, and then grade level, which would be 3rd grade and 4th grade, would meet once a month, and subject areas would have to meet after school. And the thing with the professional learning community is always evolving, and this is kind of just the general start plan. And if we find a better schedule of work, we'll definitely look at that and change. But if you notice on this graph, it's constantly evolving, it's constantly assessing, constantly reviewing and analyzing and finding a better plan. And that is it. That's it for my professional learning community.